Introducing the newly launched Service Centre from Luxe Watches. Inside our sophisticated facility, skilled artisans work their magic with all elements of restoration and repair of all leading luxury watch brands, both modern and vintage. It's a place where we can appreciate craftsmanship and expertise. Our watchmakers use only genuine manufacturer parts, tools, and equipment. From minor adjustments and battery replacements to intricate repairs and full restorations, our experienced watchmakers and highly skilled polishers ensure that no detail is overlooked. Our commitment to and attention to detail extends beyond repairs. We also offer comprehensive servicing packages, including regular maintenance and expert advice to keep your timepiece as flawless as ever. With a wealth of knowledge and a passion for horology, our team strives to exceed your every expectation. Contact us for a prepaid shipping pack, or alternatively, visit our Epping boutique. Luxe Watches Service Centre, a place where craftsmanship, passion, and precision align to breathe new life into your luxury watches.